Hey, what's up everybody? Stephen Billington with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, and this is Kira, the crappie slayer, K-Dog Billington. She's riding, well, I guess you wouldn't call it shotgun. She's ride or die today. She's along for the trip.
Yeah, well, I would be in the passenger seat.
Nope, sit down. Well, today guys, we're showing you something a little different. It's tournament day on Saturday. Girlfriend says I say that weird. I don't care. I'm gonna keep on going with it. It's tournament day on Saturday, and there are actually more than 5 eligible lakes to fish. I got no clue what I want to do. So Christian has a slightly different game plan than I did, and so today we're gonna do some scouting. I've got a list here. Yes, it's backwards. It was backwards on purpose. What are you laughing at? I got a list of lakes here, boat ramps, whatever. It's about an hour away. So we're gonna head out that way, and without the kayaks or any fishing rods, we're just gonna go to different boat ramps, look around, take some pictures, and then try to formulate what we're actually gonna do on game day.
Play my favorite song in your car. I don't wanna be a rolling stone alone, putting miles on a rundown van.
It's aggressive.
Bro, you're from Hannibal, man.
What up, man?
It says Hannibal. You're not from Hannibal.
Well, New London, right by Hannibal.
So are you and your buddy both fishing that tournament?
Yeah. Yeah, Christian's fishing it too.
Does he know where he's fishing already?
So, I was all in on this whole Long Branch thing, and then last night we were fishing all day yesterday, but we were fishing under the fireworks yesterday on this private pond, and he was like, "Man, you can do the Long Branch thing." He goes, "There's these 3 small lakes right next to each other that are all big bass, man." He goes, I think I'm gonna start at one of those, and if it's not working, they're all close enough to hop to. And I was like, man, that's not a terrible idea, because Long Branch has been shit.
Yes. So I'm fishing a lake. It's small. It's like 40 acres. It would be enough for.
I need a number 17 with a Sprite and a number 19 with an orange juice.
See, while we're waiting for the girls to get lined up with microphones, Johnny Z,
it's
you're
all
on the air.
gravel.
Yeah, I want to know what Fred thinks since he's the expert on dating on the show.
Oh my God, can we hear the banjos? Y'all, we just went under this like train trestle that, oh dear Lord, that my car barely fits through on this gravel road, and then there's like a dip after that that's like filled with water. Y'all, homie drives a Dodge Charger. Like, I don't have a truck. We first came around that corner, I saw that train trestle. I'm like, oh God, it's like Deliverance. Oh my God. So there's an intersection here on this gravel road. There's no stop signs, no nothing. And it's like a weird intersection. Like, it bends to the right and it bends to the left. And there's grown-up farmland on either side. Like, as you approach it, you can barely even tell that this junction is there. So, like, super sketchy. And someone in an SUV just went by at like 80 miles an hour, which is the only reason I even knew it was there, because I'm just driving along in farm field on this gravel road, and all of a sudden, boom, Dukes of Hazzard goes on flying by. Actually, yeah, let's go down here. Let's just pull off. Alright, this is a real small spot. Alright guys, we're out at the first stop. This gets me excited. Look at that. Anytime you got lily pads like that, look, they go all the way around too. And you got some different shore there, The big thing with this lake is it's small, very small. So if this is going to be on the list, this is probably going to have to be the first lake, because I'm standing by the boat ramp and you can see the entire lake. There's other than that back corner there's really nothing left to the imagination. So it's a small lake. It's probably going to feel some pressure, especially if other guys know the area and have scouted this. And because this lake is, from what I hear, this lake's pretty well known for having good bass in it. So I guess we'll find out. All right, guys. So that's stop number 1. We're gonna write down the time, and then we're gonna cruise on over to what should be spot number 2, see how long it takes to get there, where it is, and scout that. So let's get back in the car and let's move over there.
Make a U-turn.
I told her to be quiet. All right, y'all, welcome to the second lake. This one's not very big either. All right, guys, so we made it to the second lake, and like the other one, tons of lily pads. Okay, so that's definitely getting the bass pump pumping, right? Especially when you've got something like this, like these random lanes. Man, you could do some real damage in here, and hopefully we will. So this one is not very big either. This one does count for the big bass competition. So I'm thinking that we're on the right track with start at the other one first, try to get a limit, and then jump over to this one and try to upgrade and go for big bass and possibly make a third jump. But I could see spending the whole rest of the day right here. There's just, you got so much going on here between lily pads. You got that nice bank over there. You got overhanging trees and structure that I can see just from here. So there's a lot of potential in here. So let's get to the next lake. Okay, guys, welcome to Lake 3. This is the last lake that we're stopping to take a look at today before we head home. I don't know how I feel about this one. And there's not a whole lot going on there. Kind of a rocky bottom, it looks like. At least up here. The water clarity is not bad. You guys can see here. I almost fell in for that right now. Hope you enjoyed that quick glimpse, because I almost fell in. We'll have to talk to Christian. I don't know what to do, because I feel like this lake, quite honestly, is probably a waste of my time. I don't even like looking out of this. I like to look at a lake and have like something get me excited, something to work on, something to, like, I like to see laydowns, overhangs. Like I like to have something where I can go, okay, that looks fishy, that looks fishy. This just, it just looks like a city lake, looks like a big pond you see on a golf course. So